Do you love soup dumplings, but don't want to spend forever folding them? Let me show you my lazy version in just 17 minutes. Here's the secret to juicy filling. Add ground pork. Always mix the pork with salt first. It helps the pork hold on to more liquid, making the filling extra juicy. White pepper, sugar, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and ginger. Mix everything together. Gradually pour in chicken stock, a little at a time, mixing well after each addition. This simple step makes a huge difference. It keeps the filling moist, juicy, and packed with flavor. We're also going to add some scallions. Now, let me show you the shortcut that makes the soup dumpling so easy. Scoop the filling into heat-proof bowls. Pour in enough chicken stock to nearly fill the bowl. Instead of wrapping and folding each dumpling one by one, just cover each bowl with a dumpling wrapper. Trust me, once you try this shortcut, you'll want to make them again and again. Over high heat. Bring water to a boil. Carefully set the steaming rack, cover, and steam for about 12 minutes, or until the pork is completely cooked. The exact cooking time will depend on how much filling you use. And that's it! Lazy pork soup dumplings in 17 minutes. If you thought these were easy, wait until you see my blanket dumplings. Another shortcut my family absolutely loves. Follow for more and don't forget to check out my cookbook. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.